Leaks from your dishwasher? It's probably those loose or busted hose clamps on the drain hose, causing all that water drama. Okay, so here's the deal. First, you want to check the hose clamps where the dishwasher drain hose connects to the sink or garbage disposal. If they look all rusty or cracked, just swap them out for new ones. Super cheap and easy to find. When tightening, don't go all Hulk on it though, just snug enough so it stops leaking but won't crush the hose. If you see any cracks or splits in the drain hose itself, replace that too because clamps won't save a broken hose. Make sure the hose isn't kinked or bent in a way that messes with water flow. That can cause leaks too. Sometimes, folks forget to clean out gunk or debris near those clamps, so give it a quick wipe down before putting clamps back on. Using stainless steel clamps is a smart move since they last longer and resist rust better than plastic ones. Lastly, after tightening or replacing clamps, run a cycle with the dishwasher empty to check for leaks before loading up your dishes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with dishwasher drain hose leaks is ignoring worn-out clamps. If they're old and rusty, tightening won't help, so replace them right away. Another issue is over-tightening clamps, which can crush the hose and cause splits, so always be gentle but firm when tightening. And don't forget about the hose condition itself. Damaged hoses can't be fixed by clamps alone, so swap those out to avoid leaks. Fix these by regularly inspecting clamps and hoses during routine kitchen checks, using the right size clamp for your hose, and replacing parts as soon as you see damage. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can easily find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making fixing leaks or tackling big jobs way less stressful. Contractors get a chance to showcase their skills and connect with people looking for help, so it's a win-win all around.